channel. In today's video, I will show you how to show seconds on Mac clock. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. The macOS menu bar displayed the time in a simple hour and minute digital format by default. However, some Mac user may need to an accurate time with the seconds showing on the menu bar also. If this is also what you're looking for, then in this video, I will show you how to do it, how to show the seconds on your Mac clock. It's so simple. So first, you can just open your system preferences on your MacBook. But before that, as you can see in here on my clock, MacBook clock, there's no seconds on it. Now, you can go to dock and menu bar on your MacBook. Click on dock and menu bar. You can scroll down, choose on clock, click on clock in here, and you'll find there is an option display time with second. You can just click on it, keep the checklist on it. And now you can see in here on your clock on the menu bar, there is seconds on it. So simple, right? So that is how to show how to add seconds on your Mac's menu bar. And if you want also flash the time separators, you can just click on it. You can also announce the time on 1 hour and you customize the voice. So that is how to show seconds on the clock on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.